Chat, what's going on? All right. Wow, we've had some technical difficulties this morning. Chat, can you hear me? Is everybody good? Let me know. I'm waiting for chat to catch up so I can hear. Good morning. Let's go. Good stuff. What's up, guys? How we all doing? Chat, give me 1 second. I want to see if I can. Damn. I want to put earphones in, but I don't think I have my earphones with me. But what's good, guys? How's everybody doing this morning? Yeah, we had CPI this morning, and to be fair, the charts actually went wild. All good except my account balance. Oh no, man, what are you doing? Where are you? I am in. Oh, never mind. We got some earphones. I don't know if I can use these though. No, I can. 1 second, chat. 1 sec. Let me make sure I'm all good over here. Bear with me, chat. 1 sec. Sound. Where's sound? Okay, I think. Okay, I got the music down. Okay, I think, yeah, we're good now. We're good. Let's go. We are good. Nice one. Okay, let's go on. Well, how's everybody doing? I bought a 50K CFD count today. Good luck, brother. I hope you smash it. Don't rush it. That goes for everybody right now. If you're buying challenges of any sort, or doing any sort of challenges right now, don't rush it. I know we only have a couple more days until the end of the year. So let me take a look. Calendar. Yeah, we got today, we got tomorrow, maybe Monday, Tuesday. You don't really need to be trading those days though, to be honest with you. And then yeah, I mean, no more trading until the 29th and the 30th. And then you got New Year's, so it's going to be a lot of broken trading days going forward the rest of the year. So this is our last full trading week of the year. Give us signals, sir. I have no signal for you, my brother. Is your soundboard working, Damien? I am not at my home office. I'm traveling right now, so I'm not at my home office. I don't have my soundboard. As you guys can see by my background, I am not at home right now. I'm in Florida right now because it's too cold in Canada. Stay away from the market. Why are we staying away from the market? Or are you talking about the holidays? Yeah, I recommend not being in the market for the holidays as well. Definitely not the best option here. You are the best, I would say. You are the only person who guided me true about the Forex market. Much love, bro. Are you shooting a podcast while in Florida? No, this is literally just a family trip to Florida. That's it. It's just a family trip to Florida. My family's all going to be down in Florida. We're all going to be together. We're never really all together in one place at once. So we're all going to be down in Florida together, spending Christmas together. But yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan right now. And limited work, not too much work. There's always going to be some stuff I need to be doing, but there's not going to be. This isn't really a work trip. It's more to spend time with the family, wind down for the end of the year, all the good stuff. Marco, do you suggest? I'm not sure. Listen, guys, with any challenges out there, I think you guys need to do your due diligence and check and see which accounts make the most sense for you, your system. So for example, like I'd have to fix my system and adjust my trade management rules if I was to trade accounts that had trailing equity, right? Because it's a little bit different to how I trade now. So I'd have to adjust trade management, all these different things. Thanks to your amazing strategy, I took about $3,700 on OZ. What's OZ? I don't know what OZ. Sir, open the fudging charts. Yeah, we're gonna get to the charts in a moment, bro. We got 13 minutes till market open, so. Will you still post videos even if you won't be trading for a few days? So, a little bit of news on my YouTube channel. Gonna be pausing videos until the new year, and then when the new year comes in, I'm going to be stepping up the quality and putting out some really good stuff. So things are on pause right now. I did just post a brand new YouTube video the other day, so go check that out if you haven't done that already. But yeah, the rest of the videos, they're just going to be put on pause for now, to be honest with you. I have a lot going on. and I want to step up the content going into the new year. So content's kind of going to be on pause currently. My comments are not visible. Yes, sir, your comments are visible. Guys, you have to understand that I have a lot of comments to read. It's hard to get to all the comments at once. How's your leg doing? It's not my leg, it's my sciatic nerve actually. So it's my lower back that goes down into my legs. And not the best. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I'm going to have to go get an x-ray when I get back home, and we're going to try and figure out what the issue is. It could be a disc issue in my lower back, which is crazy to think because I never thought I'd get something of the sort, but here I am now. So it's a tough injury. It's an annoying injury, but it is what it is. That's life. That's life. What session are we about to go into? This is New York session, my brother. The market opens up. Well, stock opens up in about 12, 13 minutes from now. So we got a couple minutes to spend together here before we hop into some charts. Bro, today you give away, we're doing, yeah, guys, chat, we always do giveaways. End of the stream, we always run our giveaways. Today, I'm not too sure what we're giving away today. I'm sure I'll get let know. I can't even speak English. Anthony will let me know later on of what we're giving away today. But I'm sure we always usually do like 3, 4, 5 giveaways sometimes. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Greetings from Turkey. Greetings right back to Turkey, my brother. What's up, Matt? Matt's in the building. How we all doing? Yeah, Matt, we had a wicked move on all indices. I believe all indices. I just look at NQ really. But NQ flew off CPI. Not really looking too pretty for me to be taking anything per my system at least. But hey, that's the nature of news sometimes. Okay, so Anth, let me know. Later on in stream, guys, we got three big giveaways. We have an Apex, a Funded Next, and an Alpha Capital. Okay, so we're going to be giving away 3 different accounts today. That's good news. That's good news. Since I blew my Top Step account giveaway, chat, we got giveaways going. Don't worry, I got you. Where are you now? I'm in Florida, my brother. I am in Florida. I'm away from the cold. What did you guys take this morning though? Who was trading what? What did you guys trade on your CPI? Were you guys trading indices? Were you guys trading Forex? What were you guys taking this morning? What's up, Marco? What's happening, SMB? How we doing? I want Funded Next. Maybe it's my time today. Maybe it is. We'll have to wait and see, bro. Hopefully. That Funded Next account would be awesome. Yeah, we'll get to those accounts late in stream chat. It'll be good. It'll be good. Nothing. CFDs, no trade December. Damn, you're going all of December with no trades, Vanaki? Why is that? I'm curious. I am curious. Why is that? Marco always tells us to stay out of news and trade afterwards. That is true. I do tell you to stay out of news prior to the release. And I always tell people to trade after the release. It's just the best way of going about things. Especially, and I always tell this, I'm always speaking to the more inexperienced trader. Listen, at the end of the day, when you're consistent down the line and you've been in the game for X amount of years and you understand the markets to a good degree, then by all means you can be taking trades before news and stuff like that. You know how to manage risk. But I'm always talking to the inexperienced trader. The best way to go about news events is to just stay flat before it. And then if you want to look for trades afterwards, so be it. So be it. I'm passing mad accounts right now thanks to you, brother. Cheers. Let's go, bro. That's a W right there. I think we make a false move back down NQ and stock ones. We still bearish. Okay, yeah. Well, let's hop into some charts. We'll take a look in a minute here. Greetings from Zimbabwe, bro. Thanks for training the eyes. It's changing my mindset and also my trading positively. Cheers, bro. Let's go. Do you ready 5 days a week? Or do you trade 5 days a week? Yeah. I'm usually on the charts every single day. Doesn't mean I'm trading every single day, but I'm on the charts every single day. Or at least I'll take a peek and see if anything's looking decent. If not, then I just hop off, I guess. But yeah, you could say I'm on the charts every day. You're set up on NQ. I was waiting, but I couldn't execute. Yeah, after we got off stream, I believe that NQ long played out. I was not in it, though. The long that we were talking about, if you guys remember. Okay, chat. Let's hop into some charts here. Let me get my OBS open here. Bear with me. One second, chat, because I'm doing everything from from one monitor today. So all right, I think we're good. One sec. Here we go. All right. Cool. Everybody see my chart? Let me know quickly in chat. Let me know. And we'll continue. We all good? Are we all good? Let me know if you can see my chart. I just wanna get clarification before I move on, because I'm doing kind of everything basically. Okay, yes, nice chat. Good stuff. Okay, so a couple things to look at. We'll clear some drawings out. NQ. I've been talking about it for so long. Now I'm not bothered to try and catch the absolute bottom. I've been telling you guys this for a while now, but these highs will go, trust me. Sooner or later they will go. Now, where will we trade to before we go? This could be the bottom. It's possible. It's possible it could be the bottom, chat. Like I said though, I'm not in the business to catch bottoms, but yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we have printed the bottom here. Let's see. We have, from an intraday perspective, we have a level of internal liquidity we're approaching here. Maybe stock open can come below these lows, and then we'll get a long upwards to the upside. That makes sense to me, at least. So we'll see. But yeah, if price can trade below this low, maybe we can get a continuation higher. Based off just higher time frames right now. Earlier in the week, like we were steady leaving highs intact. Like look at this, leaving highs here, Tuesday and Wednesday. So kind of tells me it's leaving some hints that we could be revisiting higher prices. It's a tough one though, and the reason being is because I'm not sure if this low needs to go or not. So I'm gonna keep this marked on just in case for the future. But we'll have to take it day by day. As for right now, I do think we should at least come and take out these internal highs at 25,349. However, I do want to see a move to the downside first, and then we can ride that continuation higher. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at on NQ for today, from an intraday kind of perspective here. Gold, man, is not pretty, but I do believe the highs should go. But yeah, it's definitely not pretty right now. The delivery of price has not been too great. We've come down, stabbed out these lows, and then we went long right off the back of CPI today. So no even like kind of like a false move, just literally take the lows and launch off CPI, off the announcement as well. Yeah, I'm gonna probably put gold on the back burner for now, chat. It's just ugly. And there's no reason for me to kind of force setups in ugly conditions. How you doing? I'm good, Joe. Thanks for asking, bro. So yeah, I'm probably gonna stay flat on gold. It's in a tough spot. However, Aussie, guys, I remember we spoke about Aussie the other day in stream, and I told you guys I wanted to long this below these lows. So it's looking good higher time frame wise. There hasn't been an entry yet because CPI literally just got announced. But I am looking to take longs on Aussie higher time frame wise. It looks great. We've traded below last week's low, which is good. And I'm going to be looking for longs into these highs. So we have about, I don't know, from current price, you got about almost 100 pips on the table to catch on Aussie. So that'll be on my list. I don't know if we're going to have any entries on it today. Just basically based off what we've done in CPI already. So we'll see on that. Euro, Euro's in a tough spot. Euro's in a tough spot. I do want to see price continue higher, but look at the daily here. It's kind of I'm not enjoying this too much. We've traded above daily high. Price could run lower. Let's see what the lower time frames look like here. We've made perfect equals with this high on the left, I think. Yeah, look at that. Perfect equals with this high on the left. Man, honestly, Forex is not in a pretty state right now. It is not in a pretty state. Pound, I wanted to go long. Again, delivery, tough spot because of CPI. It's just announcement, launch, right? If I ever trade post-news, it's usually what I aim to see is news delivers me kind of like a false move, running liquidity, a trap move of some sort, and then post-news, I'll ride that correct move back up or down, of course. It's difficult to catch moves after news when it's literally gone long off the announcement, right? Look at CPI on pound for an example. Here's the announcement and we've gone long right off it. So not pretty. I'm gonna stick to NASDAQ. Yeah, oh, wait, it's stock open right now. Let's see what happens here. All right, we're going long right now on the NASDAQ off the open. I want to see price hold 25,349. I don't want to see those highs taken. If those highs can stay intact for me, then we can take a long up into them. I hate when stock open gets delivered like this. If I'm bullish and the open just goes bullish, works. Okay. Yeah, chat. We're going these again. This is difficult. This is difficult price action to trade. Not even difficult. It's just this kind of delivery. So again, think about this. Listen to me. Listen carefully. I'm bullish. The open comes in and goes bullish. It's difficult. I want to see the open come in, go bearish, and then I ride the bullish move back up. Just like that. Okay, but again, I'm bullish. Yes, I have a good target in mind, but it's just this ain't the delivery that I can be involved in. How is your health? My health is good. My sciatic nerve is not good. Let's see what's gold doing. Gold's going long again. Again, these highs are probably going to be visited in gold. Yeah, highs should be visited on gold, chat. Hey, Marco, thanks for your commitment with us. No worries, bro. At the end of the day, I should be able to stream every single time I travel. I just need to have another sort of monitor. It's hard to do everything from one screen, right? Because I have my recording softwares. I need to look at chat. I have all my trade copiers, all this stuff, right? So it's hard to do it all from one monitor. Get dry needling for the sciatica. It saved my life. No more pain. I had it so bad. Damn. Hopefully it doesn't have to come to that, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm getting an x-ray when I come home to see if it is a disc issue in my lower back. So would you take a short position if you are bullish? Think about the question you just asked me. Would I take a short position if I'm bullish? No, I would definitely not take a short position if I was bullish. No, thank you. No, thank you. Marco, sounds like you need a screen extender. Christmas time is here. I actually have those monitor kind of like travel monitor setups for my laptop. However, bro, there's so many cords and stuff. It's like it's almost annoying to use. Why don't you trade crypto? I don't need to. I don't want to. I've never felt a need. There's so much to trade in futures and in Forex. All right, NQ's coming down, chat. This is what I want to see here. This is good stuff. I want to see price below these lows, though. This low right here. That's it. It's very simple. I'll mark it on as a blue line so we all can see this very clearly. I want to see price below this blue line. Can you please answer? What's your reasoning for those gold highs will be taken? Liquidity. Liquidity, bro. That's it. Look how much liquidity is up here. So much. So much. But things you have to understand is I have a buy target in mind, yes. But does that immediately mean I'm taking buys, chat? I hope you guys understand that. No, it does not. Look at this price action in front of our face. Look. Look at this. This is this week on gold. Guys, do you realize how many people are getting absolutely destroyed on gold right now? Destroyed. Trust me, people are getting destroyed. People like the average trader, the average inexperienced trader, they struggle to identify when to trade and when not to trade. These are conditions. Look at this. Hopefully, since CPI is released, things clear up for the rest of the week, today and tomorrow. However, look what we had before CPI. Yes, I have a buy target. Yes, I want to see gold to the upside, but I don't want to be involved in this. To be honest with you, I think if I had to pinpoint right now, gold should go short through this session. Probably go short to these lows. Oh, these lows are taken. That's trippy because they're not taken on futures. Price should go short, but again, I just don't involve myself. No, thank you. What's UJ doing? I haven't looked at UJ. Oh, excuse me. UJ probably going to go short. Yeah, it's probably going to go short today. Liquidity without bias is guessing price action. Okay, I don't understand that because liquidity provides me my bias. Chat, remember we talked about German 40 as well on stream. I said anybody longing above this low I marked out would get trapped up. Big coincidence. Big coincidence. It took the low. Look at the price action that's delivered above the low too. This is all done on purpose, chat. Like literally all done on purpose. This is the same shit that happens over and over and over. This price action, we sat above the low for a day and a half. Do you know how many people got induced and trapped in here? And then we take out the low, trap them. There is liquidity. So listen to this question, chat. This is important actually here. Someone said, there is liquidity above and below. How do you choose your bias? Wait. Wait. I know a lot of you guys don't know how to do that, but wait. Stay patient. Market is doing shit. Could it be reason it's because of the end of the year? I think it's just because we've had NFP and CPI this week, but to each their own. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Can I have coffee? I'm asking for my coffee from wifey, chat. Because as you guys can see, if you look at my eyes. Okay, NQ is below the lows. NQ is below the lows. All right, let's see what kind of price action we get. Brother, I do not trade NZD USD. I do not trade NZD USD. Yo, these markets, bro. These markets. I was talking to a couple of my friends this morning. Like, there's not much to be looking at. And I can tell you guys with the utmost confidence that people are getting destroyed this week. And then you're gonna have Jimmy that comes in the chat and goes, "Not me. I've made 133 R this week. These charts are beautiful." I think the best thing we do, chat, in this situation with NQ is we wait for the hourly low to print, aka 10 a.m. comes in, so we have 18 minutes. Maybe we spike the hourly low and continue running bullish, right? So whatever this hourly low prints, we run it and then we move bullish, and then you have a great buy target. All right, so I want to see what 10 a.m. does here. Gold falls, yeah. I mean, I kind of anticipated gold to fall. On futures, I'd like to see gold to here. Marco, your strategy is awesome and helped me become a profitable trader. Let's go. You're awesome. Please expand on the hourly bar. What does that mean? What's the hourly bar? What am I missing here? What am I missing here, chat? Wow, wifey has a coffee for me. No, I just love coffee. There will. Left side in NQ is not a liquidity block. Intra profit pulse. Are you my teacher, bro? There she goes. Look at gold to these lows. Boom. It would be wild to see this being have a move back up. This isn't a liquidity block down here. You know, I wish the delivery on gold was a bit cleaner. We could, realistically, we could take a stab at this. It's not the worst trade. Like, look at the liquidity we got to the upside, chat. It's just unfortunate that this delivery is so ugly, bro. You know what we'll do? Just because I'm not confident in the direction on gold right now, based off this recent delivery we've had, let's wait in the lower time frames. This is what we're gonna do. We'll wait in the lower time frames here. If we can get an entry cooked up on the lower time frames, we'll take a stab at it. I've told you guys before, but if I'm not confident on the overall perspective, the bigger perspective, the higher time frame perspective, I'll never take entries from the left. That's why I'm lacking confidence in taking this entry right now. Yes. We are in a liquidity block. Awesome. Okay. But does that mean every single liquidity block works? No. I mean, if we're bearish, we're bearish. So what I'm going to do is I'll wait for the lower time frames to confirm that we can hold this low. If we run bullish out of here, we'll try and look for that continuation out of here. That's the plan on gold right here. Can you answer? So that's our idea on gold right now. We'll leave it checked off and we'll come back to it. You always wait for M1 chart? No. To be honest with you, I'm very rarely on the M1 chart. Marco, and NQ, isn't there a lot of liquidity at the lows? Yes, there is. For sure. Chat, like I've been telling you guys since the beginning of the stream, man, I'm not like incredibly confident on anything. That's why I'm not actively looking for a trade right now. We're monitoring, we're seeing how price action is delivered. If things clear up, awesome. But, and maybe I sound like a broken record saying the same thing over and over, but this has been the summary of this week, and it is what it is. Bro, sometimes you guys have to understand, sometimes you have to stay flat all week. And then the next week, you never know. Like, what if you stay flat all week and then obviously next week, this isn't the best example because it's Christmas, but let's just say if it wasn't Christmas next week, you stayed flat for this week because nothing was good. Next week comes along and it's the cleanest price action for your system you've ever seen and you have a phenomenal week. You wouldn't have seen that good week if you weren't able to sit on your hands through the shit week. This is what the new trader lacks understanding in. Gold, good reaction. Gold, good reaction. The thing is, guys, if this was a if I was confident, like if I didn't believe price can come down to these lows and stuff, if this whole delivery didn't exist in here, this could have been an extreme entry. It could have. It doesn't mean we can't take anything though. Like, well, let's see what price action gives us here. We have there's a big move back to the upside. You have over 300 ticks back up if this thing runs bullish, of course, right? Look at the daily though. The daily, honestly, we left PDH intact, so we haven't taken the daily high. But it also is possible that we could run for these lows here. That's what I have marked out. This blue line. So we got to stay aware of these situations, man. When there's so many scenarios in front of my eyes, bro, it's just better to sit on those hands. Wait. That's it. That's it, man. NQ should run for these lows now. Should see that fulfill. So we still have about 115 ticks, but NQ should run for this low now. This is my first time on the live. Please, what are these lines marked for? Holy shit, you've been typing that a lot. Liquidity. It's just liquidity. You know what's funny, guys? I made a video actually in my community. I'm just realizing this now. I told everybody, I said, let's look for longs once November takes out October on Euro here. Look at this. I'm just realizing how beautiful this was now. I forgot about this. Look, you go to the monthly, guys. Look at this. November spikes out October and that bullish move starts. Look at that. I remember we traded below October. This is early November days. I was like, this could be a higher time frame bottom into these highs. 1.19188. Euro's not done on the higher time frames, by the way. Whoever trades Euro, this thing is going to continue higher. She is not done. She is not done, Z. Hello, Marco. How are you? I'm good. Dan, how are you, bro? Oh my God, my back is destroyed, chat. My back is destroyed. The sciatic nerve is disgusting. I gotta stretch. Oh, I'm struggling over here, man. Good reaction on gold. Yes, sir, so far. The thing is, guys, I remember the old Marco, like years ago. I would call a move and then I wouldn't get in it, and I'd be like, oh my God, like what am I doing? I could give a shit nowadays. I could care less, and that's changed my trading so much. Like I know I don't need to be in every move. I've talked about this like on every stream we've done. There's been times, guys, all it takes is one day. It makes my whole month. Man, I know your pain, Marco. I messed my lower back up in the early 20s and ended up having surgery. Thought I wasn't going to be able to work anymore. That pain was so bad. Ah, bro. Hopefully you're feeling better, man. Gold fake reaction inducing buyers? Wait, what? Why is it a fake reaction? I'm confuzzled over here. All right, we got 10 a.m. coming in 6 minutes, chat. Well, 7 minutes. It's a nerve thing. See a physical therapist and get the dry needling. Trust me, bro. So SMB, I've gotten needling done on it, and it was actually insanely uncomfortable. The problem is, we think it could be a disc issue in my back, like a slip disc. So I won't be getting surgery, but I definitely need to come to find why this has occurred, right? Because what happens is it goes down my leg and then it goes like behind my kneecap, and then like I have like a numbing sensation in my left leg as well. It's the weird, like I've had muscle injuries in the past, guys. This is just astronomically worse and annoying. I can't explain it. For the people in here that have had nerve injuries, you probably understand where I'm coming from here. But yeah, it is fucking annoying, chat. For sure. I'm in gold right now. It's ripping about 150 USD. W, bro. Hope that shit continues playing out for you. Good reaction so far from the low. 160 ticks. Wow, can you please explain the reason why you wait for 10 a.m. to print? So if you look at just the hourly and the 4 hour, not even the 4 hour really, the hourly. This hourly candle, look at 8 a.m.'s done. Big bullish candle. Okay? 9 a.m. has now set a high and low. Now I want 10 a.m. to open up, spike out 9 a.m. We have an imbalance down here, or whatever you want to call it. Imbalance, some people call it the FVG. But I want price to basically trade below 9 a.m. low. We look for longs, back up. That's it. If I'm wrong, it goes long before, then hey, I could give a shit. I can call direction all day, but if entries don't come, man. It is what it is. The only thing I can say that I've missed would be this gold from the left. From the left. So you would have to take this entry basically like this, with your stop loss covering the low from the left, just like this. That's how you could take it. Strategy is so simple yet so powerful, you know. And I might sound like I'm being biased. It's my own system, but I feel like, yeah, it can't get easier than how I trade. I feel like it's very, once you understand liquidity, you'll see like, oh my god, wait a second, this is actually very simple and very straightforward. The markets are fractal, right? Everything I do on the higher time frames literally just gets replicated onto the lower time frames. It's just the difference between the higher and lower is just time, how long it takes to play out. And yeah, gold is moving right now, chat. Gold is moving off that low. All right, we got a couple minutes till 4 hour close here, or hourly. I had the same health problem as you, Marco. Damn, Coder, I hope you feel better, bro. Nerve pain is another level. Yeah, it's fucking annoying. It's annoying, chat. 100% annoying. Man, I had the same thing. It's really something you cannot live with. It definitely affects your daily life. Yeah. Like even flying here, it was a 2 hour and 50-minute flight, and my back was fried sitting in the chair on the plane. It's simple and powerful. It's called CRT. This is not called CRT. I can guarantee you that. The hard thing about your strat is patience. What does that tell you then? We've talked about this many times on stream, but chat, my edge in the market is waiting for, I need to see this occur first. I need to see this, right? I need to see a buildup of liquidity. I need to see traders in the market, okay? This tells me, this type of price action, the way it's delivered tells me traders are in the market. Now, if I'm bullish, I want to be buying this thing. I need to wait for price to take the buyers out, okay? If this move, this sell from high to low does not occur, I'm not getting in this, okay? The problem is this price action will be delivered, yet you guys are showing up every single day trying to take trades in this price action with not understanding how to sit on your hands and just wait, okay? This price action is PA you do not want to be trading. This is a buildup of liquidity. Ugly, rangy, inconsistent moves, very small moves. You do not want to be trading that. So yeah, I guess you could say the hard thing about my system is patience, but patience, you need patience with every system. Take some peptides? What the hell, bro? Hell nah. Chat, yeah, all my links are in the stream, the description below in the stream, my socials. So if you want to follow me there, more than welcome to. Be the hardest kind of waiting this market is when your profit runs. Any comments? Like Ahmed, are you talking about being able to hold positions to targets? Is that what you're talking about? What is the name of your strategy? This strategy here, guys, okay? This strategy is called the golden key strategy. Okay? It is the best I'm playing. There's no title for this strategy. It's just how I trade. I don't use ICT. I don't use none of that stuff. I don't use the inverse unicorn silver bullet model. I'm just playing, chat. My strategy is not the golden key. I'm just trolling. I'm just trolling. All right, 10 a.m.'s in now, chat. 10 a.m. is in now. Yeah, Forex looks terrible right now. Goddamn. It'll come back around. It'll come back around. Markets always go through some gross phases sometimes. That's fine. The strategy is called the super easy $1 million Marco unicorn strategy. Damn. That's a mouthful. The bulletproof strategy. I'll never title it. It's just how I trade. And I just use a liquidity perspective. Again, all theory at the end of the day. Does liquidity is how I trade the way the market actually moves? No. You want to know why I'm saying no? Because no one knows 100%. No one knows, man. No one knows. If someone tells you they know how the market moves, guess what? They lying. They lying to you. This is all theory. Yes, the reason why I resonate with the system so much and I enjoy my system so much because it makes sense, right? There's logic behind it. So when these moves occur, you can wrap your head around them and be like, okay, I see why I went wrong. I see why this occurred. I see why we ran for these highs or lows. Like, this makes sense. So let me fix up. Let me identify where I went wrong and see how I can fix up for the next trade setup. No, I have never traded my strategy on stocks. I've never traded my strategy on stocks. Look at gold move, bro. Look at this. Look at her move. You guys are laughing if you're in this. You guys are laughing. Honestly, guys, flat all week. I just based off this price action, I can tell I'm not 100% locked in on the charts too. I might just wrap up my year tomorrow. Trade tomorrow and then just wrap it up for the year. Come back in the new year and smash the shit out of 2026 with you guys. But I can just tell, like, my mind, I'm not 100% locked in right now. I honestly, you want to know why too? This fucking nerve problem I have. I'm not running. I'm not going to the gym. I'm not 100% with my lifestyle right now. And when I'm not 100% on my lifestyle right now, it leaks into all areas of my life. So we'll see. I got some thinking to do. It's not the end of the world anyways. There's only a couple trading days left in the year, so I ain't going to be missing out on much. I'm very happy with my performance this year. I have a lot of accounts I'm going to run the shit out of next year, so we have I got a lot coming. Marco, let's name it combining Marco, Wifey, and Charlie. They haven't really met him yet, so they got to meet him first. Chad hasn't met Cairo. We have another dog. 2026, you beating JCap 2 mil payout. Trust. Damn, bro. I don't know if I want to put myself through that mental stress. You guys don't understand. Kyle was going through hell mentally during that run. He smashed it, bro. But, like, guys, you have to understand. That burnt him out for the rest of the year. Which is worth it at the end of the day, right? 2 mil? We'll take that. A little 2 mil. Just a slight 2 mil. I wouldn't mind seeing NQ come back down to these lows, chat. Let's see. What's gold doing? Is she continuing? A little bit. Hey, Marco, your strategy honestly makes a ton of sense. Besides trading live here on Tuesdays and Thursdays, do you also trade live on other parts of your community? Yeah, I'm live with my community some other days of the week. To be completely transparent with you guys, I was doing, for like half of the year, I was trading live every single day. If I wasn't with you guys, I was with my community. Bro, it's a lot. It's a lot. So there's some days you just want to just be alone and trade alone, lock in alone, right? It's exhausting, mentally exhausting to trade live in front of people every single day. Don't get me wrong. I love doing streams. I love being with the community. I love being with you guys. It's great. Like, I'm able to provide a lot of value, and that's awesome. But I'm telling you, doing it every single day, I didn't realize how exhausting it got until I actually did it. So I did it for months, and then I just hit a point where I'm just like, yo, I just got to pump the brakes a bit. So I usually leave like 1 or 2 days a week for me to just trade on my own. Just show up at the charts and just be on my own. Doing it 5 days a week was a lot, bro. Was a lot. Just a slight 2 mil. Yeah, maybe slight and 2 mil in the same sentence. It doesn't go together. It doesn't go together. But yeah, we'll run it up next year, chat. Trust me. Hey, Marco, what I've observed is that if we know where the liquidity is, and most importantly, if we know induced and high low, your strategy rocks. Let's go T-State. Oh, wifey's in chat. She joined us. Wifey joined us. I thought actually she didn't like us anymore. I thought she actually just didn't want to hang out with us anymore. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and working out at the gym really reduces it. Yeah, I definitely can see why. I'm not going gym. I'm not running. Bro, as you guys know me, for the last 2 years, year and a half at the least, I'm doing some sort of activity every single day. Most of the time, I'm going for a run and doing weights every single day. I haven't been doing that for a week now. And I'm telling you, I feel fucking, I don't know. My mental's all over the place, bro. So I want to sort out this issue. When I come back home on the 29th, I'm going for an x-ray, where I got to book an x-ray appointment at least, to sort out my nerve issue going into the new year. Marco, please look at Euro USD. I'm going to be honest, bro. I don't think it looks good, but I'll give a look at it. Yeah, it definitely doesn't. Honestly, bro, I don't know. I think this thing can continue higher, but this is just not the delivery I want. And I'll tell you the reason right now is because this move right here, this induces buyers for me. So I would not participate in any sort of buys right now. I would not. Now, if price comes up to these highs on Euro and we somehow get like an LB created, and then we come up, build up a liquidity, we induce early buyers, you can buy here. But we need something like this to form, okay? All I see right now is CPI had just fucking moonshotted to the upside, guys. Look at the bullish candles here. I do not want to be buying this market. It's as simple as that. I wish I could tag people in replies, but it doesn't work on my phone. Yeah, you have to do this on the desktop, my love. It doesn't work on the phone. All right, NQ's coming down. Like I said, I want these lows to go on NQ. Could look for a short, but usually these kind of moves, I call them counter bias. These moves that happen don't provide an entry. They're kind of choppy and leaving highs intact and stuff. So these moves don't typically provide the entry, and then we take that one back up into the highs. So we'll wait and see. Hey Marco, are you only using your liquidity strategy? What is your win rate? My win rate ranges from like 40 to 60%. Sciatica is the worst. I slipped 3 discs and injured performance. Worst pain in my life, worse than surgeries or past bone breaks. Hang in there, bro. Thank you, bro. Sergio, appreciate you. I'm trying my best, man. Don't worry, your name is in blue. Everyone will read what you write. That's true. Wifey's name is in blue to let everybody know that wifey is in the building. Yeah, Ruben, my mother actually recommended that as well to me. Is gold providing us a little bit of an entry maybe? Let's see, we're getting a pullback right now. We'll keep an eye on gold. It might just have a continuation without us, but... Mark, are you still going to come on just to drop trading the gold on Tuesday? I'm going to try my best to come on stream on Tuesday, guys. It's going to be what? The 20... Huh? I know. Yeah, the only problem, chat, is... Listen. Oh, shit. No, I don't know if... No, I can't. I can't Tuesday. I just realized, guys, I'm driving to Miami on Tuesday for the day. Oh, shit. No, I can't Tuesday. Wait. Oh, chat, this is bad news then. I won't see you guys. Oh, my God. We have 2 weeks off. Because next Thursday is Christmas. Oh, wait. I'll see you guys on December 30th. I'll hop on stream December 30th. I'll hop on stream December 30th for sure. Because Tuesday next week I can't. I'm not available, unfortunately. I'll be driving actually too, because I'm leaving next Tuesday morning. Thursday is Christmas, chat. The next Tuesday I will be on. So December 30th I will be on stream. And then the Thursday is actually New Year's Day. So, and actually, nice. I like this. The 30th I'm actually home, back at my home office. So that'll be good. That'll be good. And then New Year's comes in, and then fresh trading week the following week. Boom. I'm pumped. Yeah, but I'll see you guys on the 30th after this, chat. I'm sorry, but yeah, I really wanted to try and hop on next Tuesday. It's also going to be incredibly difficult because my whole family, remember, we're all going to be here at once. We're never all together in the one place at once. So we're all going to be in this condo together. And don't get me, it's going to be a bunched up condo. I low-key should have got myself an Airbnb with the wife, but it is what it is now. NQ going down the lows. Right now, we're a professional speculator, not a trader. And I'm completely fine with that. My ass is burnt out. Marco, how do you deal with a losing streak? And the way you're losing is the LB not being respected and then going straight to TP. How do I deal with a losing streak? Usually I will size down a touch. I don't size down too much. I won't be honest. I will be honest with you because I want to let the numbers do the work for me. If I'm losing a shit ton of trades, it's a different story. But if I'm going through a little losing period, bro, you just have to start focusing on the highest quality trades as possible. And trust your system. You have to trust the shit out of your system because it's hard to perform when you're losing. It's hard to perform when you're losing. It's hard to hold trades when they keep hitting SL, right? It's hard to hold. And then when you go through a losing period, finally a solid setup comes along and you're like, hey, I want to take this trade. I want to hold it to my target. But the trade, you struggle to because you have a lack of confidence, right? You just went through a losing period. So it's hard to hold that trade to your target. You just have to tell yourself to trust the shit out of your system. It's my best advice, bro. My best advice. Drop a video on YouTube. I've just dropped one Tuesday, 2 days ago. Brand new YouTube video dropped on Tuesday. Look at this guy. Holy shit. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. What do we got here on gold right now? I think this low. Let's see what happens below this low. 15-minute just closed up. And then liquidity-wise, yeah, it makes sense to come below this low. So we'll see on gold below that low. NQ still not traded below the low. Bro, your last video is just amazing. Please do best one. Please do more. Guys, I got you. Trust me, I'm stepping up the quality in my YouTube videos in the new year. I'm going to be recording some at studios. So it's going to be good, man. And we're actually firing our old editor and we're bringing in a new editor. I'm just joking, chat. My editor is Anthony, actually. That's why I'm saying that. I'm trolling, chat. I'm trolling. I'm just joking. We ain't never firing Anthony. He's smashing it. Marco, where did you learn all this? I'm intrigued. Yo, chat. I've spoken about this a lot, but the way I trade, no one taught me how I trade. The charts literally taught me. This is literally just time on the charts. Consistency. Disgusting. I'm talking disgusting amount of time on the charts. I would just stare at these candles till my eyes would start bleeding. And then I'd get rushed to the hospital and they'd say, what happened to your eyes? I'd say, the candles did it to me.
You're so dramatic.
The candles made my eye. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Marco, we'll be making hella bread with yo. That's my goal, man. Trust me. Whenever I see people making bread with the way I trade, there's people I've shown how I trade, and they are making disgusting money now, and it is fucking awesome. Love to see it. Mark, I watched your last vid more than 5 times. Let's go. That's the shit I like to see though, because that means you're running the views up. No, I'm just kidding. That tells me you're hungry, man. If you're watching videos over and over and over, that's good. That's a good sign. That's a great sign. Marco, how did your life look before trading? Any professions? Yo, guys, I was a plumber. I was a plumber, and I despised it. I hated it. But I was a plumber, yeah. For right out of high school, I went working full time, like 12-hour work days. It was not fun, but it taught me a lot of life lessons. Showed me what I did not want to do. Plumber Johnny Marco sins? Oh, hell nah. What the hell? Guys, you understand, I was a different person before. Like, I was incredibly unhealthy. I wasn't active in any way. I smoked cigarettes, like a disgusting amount of cigarettes. I was smoking like, sometimes I was smoking more than a pack a day. 5 a.m. I was driving to work, cigarettes on the way to work. I'd show up at the warehouse to load up my work truck, cigarettes. Then I'd finally hop in the work truck to go buy a coffee, cigarettes.
Someone said, how did you meet wifey?
And then I'd buy my coffee, I'd drive to the job site, cigarettes.
Someone said, how did you meet wifey?
How did I meet wifey? You guys actually want to know how I met wifey? So basically, I was in the middle of a 10 by 3 minute threshold session at the track. And my heart rate was sitting beautifully around threshold, 170 beats per minute. I just finished my rep, and I was feeling like a champ. And I had my shirt off, I was looking good, I was feeling good. She came up to me, she's like, "Oh my God, can I have your number?" And I was like, 1 second, I'm in the middle of this threshold session. Let me finish this off. I have 3 more reps to finish. Boom, bang these 3 reps out. Then she was waiting for me, right? Then finally I finished my last rep, my last threshold rep. It was money. It was a money session. And right before my cooldown, I gave her my number, hit my cooldown, and then I was done. And then that's it. And now we're married and shit. That's how we met. What do you mean cap? That's not cap, chat. What do you mean that's cap? They both used to smoke together? Wifey did not smoke, I'll tell you that for free. And when I met her, I wasn't smoking anymore. So, and she probably wouldn't have liked me if I was smoking. Chat's going, he is lying, right? Yo. I'm lying, unfortunately. I'm not lying, I'm joking. I'm not lying, I'm joking. I would not like him if he was still smoking. There you go. I was right, chat. I was right. Tell us some keys before entering. You always want to see, my best tip is you always want to see a liquidity block form. Something like this occur. You want to see a level of liquidity taken out. That's my best advice for you. I can't even picture you the cigarette. Oh my God, chat. Maybe I can find pictures for you guys. Maybe I can find pictures. Can I? I can maybe find oh my God. Oh my God, guys. This is 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Watch this. Let me switch my screen up so you guys can see. This is 7 years ago. Look at this. I'm telling you, man, life can change. Look at that. Is crazy, bro. That is so crazy to see. That is so crazy. It's insane. Oh my god. Why you look super shy when you talk about wifey? What do you mean I'm looking super shy? You look younger now. I had a bunch of facial hair, and I just shaved. You know what? Do I look younger now? It's probably good. That's probably good. That's a good sign, chat. I teach my medical students how to save human lives. Marco teaches me how to trade. Yo. I love that message. Nice hair, bro. Guys, chat. I was dyeing my hair blonde. I was drinking alcohol like, oh my god. I was drinking so much and shit. Oh, it was not a good healthy time of the year. I'm not saying like, don't get me wrong, I casually drink here and there, like every couple weeks I'll have a drink or something, but I was drinking like heavy, like every weekend. I was getting like blackout and just smoking cigarettes, and I hated my job, my work, my life. It was a disgusting time, bro. You had hair? Chad, I had hair one day. Wait, you guys think I was just born bald? Wait. You just lost your hair? Hey man, it's something. Blame my father. Blame my parents' genetics, bro. It's not my fault. You know what? You guys are laughing. I shower. I'm in and out in a minute and 10 seconds. You guys have to wash your hair and shit. I don't gotta wash no hair. Chat. It takes me 30 seconds to shower. 30 seconds. Time efficiency. Okay? You guys waste like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't waste. That's 14 minutes I could have been fucking like saving the world and shit. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is get bald. Get bald, become a millionaire. Get bald, become a billionaire. Huh. You guys think I'm kidding? Take Fanatics. I was going bald, bro. I could give a shit about my hair. Honestly, I could give a shit. I just shave my head, bro, and that's it. I don't care. I don't care about having hair. It makes my life easier with no hair. I low-key thought you were bald from the jump. Yo, you guys are crazy, chat. Look, you guys probably hear wifey laughing in the background too. Stop. What's good with you guys, man? You guys thought I was born bald?
Maybe everybody's born bald.
No, I'm talking like just skin head. Hey, Marco, you could be a stand-up comedian? Yo, let's go. Maybe that's the next. Maybe I stop trading, okay? Fuck the money. We don't need that. We go the comedian route. Underground comedy stages and shit. And we run that shit up now. That's the new gig. You guys will come and support me, right? Promise? Say promise. Promise me, man. It's making her laugh. Yeah, the wifey's on mic today.
They can hear me.
Yo, Chad, this price action sucks, bro. Look at this shit. You know what? You know what this looks like? Here, I'll show you guys what this looks like. There you go. This is what it looks like. Show you guys. This is what that looks like. There you go. Oh, look, guys. We're trading NQ today. NQ looks great. Yeah, NQ looks great. Just kidding. It looks like a pile of shit. That's what it looks like. Gold did as you said. Guys, am I a fortune teller? But I'm only fortune telling because I'm not pressing any buy or sell buttons over here. I'm a professional speculator this week. That's what I am. I'm not a trader this week. Fuck that. I'm done for the year, bro. I'm done. I've lost enough hair. Look, I'm fully bald now, bro. Look at trading it. Look. There's nothing left. What has trading done to my head? There's no hairs left on my head. I'm wrapping it up for the year, bro. It's designed to suck so you don't take the trade. Hold the phone, chat. Hold the phone. I think gold could be a possibility still. Hold the phone. Fuck it. Let's just take, maybe we'll take a little trade here to end the week, or to end the year off. I'm down to end the year off on a loss. Look, we'll take the trade here. We need to push higher first though. Push higher, push lower, take the trade. Okay? That's how we'll take the trade. That's how we'll take our last lot. I'm just kidding. Hopefully it's not a loss. That would be annoying. But that's how we take the last trade of the year. It's going to be a 70 tick stop loss, so we cannot take that on the minis. No, thank you. NQ is giving us a false reaction inducing buyers. Yeah, it's definitely leaving liquidity. I can tell you that for free because this is not price action. You know what this does, bro? Look, I'm telling you guys right now. Look, retail will mark this out as BOS, right? This is good. BOS in the market for retail. Where are they entering? Down here. So listen, with that knowledge, buyers are in here, correct? So they're going to have their stop losses below this low. So that's going to be very important. Use that to your advantage. Whether it sells into it today, I don't know. Could sell into it, but use that to your advantage for sure. Did gold take the high? Gold took the high. Fuck, this is a sketchy kind of trade setup, guys. But fuck it, maybe fuck it, we ball together. We win together, we lose together. Come on, I need this to induce higher. Fuck it, we ball together, chat. We win together, we lose together. You know what I mean? Does gold give us the continuation to the rest of the day? I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. I want to see this 5-minute close up in 20 seconds here. Fuck, this thing's coming quick. Oh, I got filled at a disgusting price. Alright, we're in. Oops. Stop loss goes below. We'll see if we can get the continuation, chat. You know what? Last trade of the year, bro. Last trade of the year. That's kind of crazy to think about. Last trade of 2020. What year are we in again? This is 2025, right? We'll see if we can get the continuation up. If not, we'll take this stop loss and to the face to end the year. Target's going to be back at the highs, chat. Wait, let me get rid of some of these lines. That's what we're looking like. Oh, actually, we got all these highs. Fuck that. All right, we're in profit. Oh my God, we're in profit. Oh my God, we're in profit. I'm so happy. Guys, this is an emotional trade for me. Okay, this trade it's the last trade of my year, bro. So let me be emotional about this. If it plays out, tears might be coming out of my eyes to show you guys the pain I went through this year, the ups, the downs, the good times, the bad times. This is what this trade represents. So everybody, let's hold on. Hold the phone. Let's ride this to the moon. Hold the phone. We're up 30 ticks, but we can still take a stop loss to the chin. So everybody hold the phone. What's the 30 looking like? We're looking bullish. Hourly bullish. Oh man, can these highs go today? That'd be nice, chat. This is the last trade of the year, chat. This is the last trade of the year. Like I said, this is going to be an emotional trade for me, man. Okay? Because listen, if it works out, you know what? Either way, if it doesn't work out or if it works out, maybe tears will be shed today to show you guys how, I don't know where I'm going with this. Dirty December. Is that what you guys call December? Dirty December? All right, chat, we're up 50 ticks. We are millionaires now, so we can close out here and now be known as millionaires. All right. Life is good. Life is good. Let's see if we can just get a moonshot up. We got a nice 5-minute candle. There's our entry. So we caught the low of the 5-minute. It's good to see. Why would you say it's your last trade? What about NQ, bro? Because I'm done for the year, man. Come on, guys. Leave me be. I'm just fucking tired and shit, man. I'm tired, bro. I just want to chill the rest of the year. I'm playing. Because, bro, it's like we got like 3 trading days and shit included in like the rest of the year because of Christmas and New Year's. So why not just hang it up? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So that's what I'm saying. We're done for the year, bro. This is gonna be the last trade of 2026. Five. Just closed it for 1,500 due to consistently, bro. If you made 1,500, fuck yeah. Let's go. Yo, Baran, you gotta stop yelling at me in capital letters, bro. It's giving me anxiety. Alright, this is what we're looking like right now. I'm not convinced yet, chat. This is what we do. This is what we do, okay? I'm gonna show you guys. When we take out this high, I'm just gonna go risk-free, bro. I'm just gonna go risk-free. We could even just mark out this high, to be honest. Because price can do a pullback. Marco, how do you make trades from TradingView? You use a brokerage. Wait, is that the right word? I don't know, bro. I just use Tradeovate and I can use Tradeovate on TradingView. Up 125 ticks? Fuck yeah, let's go. Who entered at the extreme down here? Who got in at the bottom? If you got in at the bottom, you're a savage. I wasn't a savage today. I had to take a pussy continuation trade. Sorry for my language, chat. My wife got mad at me. I'm sorry, baby. Chat, do we have to get wifey on stream for the last stream of the year? Chat, do we have to get wifey on stream for the last stream of the year? Talk to me, and talk to me nicely. Talk to me. Can I enter now? Hamad, I don't know if you can enter now, bro. What? If you want to FOMO your ass in, you can FOMO in, but don't just trade to trade, bro. Make sure you're following your system, following your strategy. Please, please, please. All right, the story behind this trade, chat, is, listen, if we start taking out these highs on the left-hand side over here, we have internals, and then we have that more external one up here. We have these internals. I'm just going to risk-free it. If it continues the rest of New York and we blast through the highs, awesome. Cool. If it comes out and BEs me, awesome. Cool. I don't care. Because will this trade define me as a trader, this one single trading result? The answer to that question should be no. Matter of fact, oh my God. Matter of fact, tell her to bring a friend for us. Oh my God, bro. No, it just gets chopped up, my love. Language doesn't matter, only the money. Actually, wrong perspective, Vinay. You know what does matter? The plan, the system. I bought at 313. You bought at 313. Wait. Where's that? I don't know what that is, bro. You look shy again. Yo, why do you guys keep calling me out saying I'm looking shy? What's up with that, bro? Come on, man. Am I really looking shy? All right, chat, we're pushing these highs on the left. We're going to slap this thing risk-free soon. And if it just wants to launch, because the thing is, if it just, based off time of day and stuff like that, once we come above this high, I really don't want to see much of a pullback. Like, I don't want to see this occur. I think maybe you could get a little bit of pullback, and then I want to see that, boom, big move up to smash out highs. And again, the target will be these highs up here. Let's see if we can make it there before market close, chat. See if we can make it there before market close. My love, Marco, chill, there are kids in here. Guys, why I call wifey my love sometimes. Am I not allowed to do that? All right, wait, we moving, chat. We moving. Okay, highs are probably going to get started to take out soon. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, highs are getting taken out. I'm going to slap this thing risk-free. And yeah, we'll have to wait and see what she does. Let's go. Internal highs taken out here. That's it. So, just like we spoke about before, take a look at this. 5-minute closes up in 30 seconds, right? There's definitely a chance price can do some sort of pullback. Now, if it comes deep, it's not really a trade I want to be in anymore anyway, so I don't care to get BE'd. You guys have to understand something. So, I am floating money right now, right? But I have targets. I hold them to targets. If it doesn't reach, you guys understand this perspective, guys. This is so powerful. Take your notes. Get that, get that journal thingy out and with a pen and pencil and shit. My perspective is, I have targets. Okay, if it doesn't reach the targets, the trade it's invalid then, right? The trade idea is invalid. That's the whole point of targets is because I analyze a chart. I'm viewing where the market can head to, right? So I target these levels. Now, if I do the analysis to figure out where price can head to, but I don't hold to these levels, what the hell is the point of me doing an analysis in the first place, right? You gotta think about it. How do I set a TP on TradingView? So, little lesson for you guys. If you guys are new to futures, I'm in a buy right now. If I want to exit the position, first of all, I can just press exit down here, or I set a sell limit. So I'm in with 5 contracts on the micros. If I want to be removed from the trade, I do sell 5 micros. Thumbs up. Do we all understand? Bueno? Not too difficult. Chilly? Is the AC too high?
Yeah.
Okay, put a pair of my sweatpants on then. Stay warm. We'll go. Oh my God, chat, look at the weather outside. God bless Florida, bro. I hate Canada. I hate Canada. Oh, so here we go. Legend says, market doesn't care about your analysis though. Not taking partials is poor risk management IMO. Listen, my brother, this is how I've been making money on the charts for however long it's been now. Whatever you guys want to do is completely up to you. That's fine. If you want to take partials at levels that don't make any sense, then do it. I target levels, I target areas that I believe price can either pull back or reverse at. It's simple as that. And if it doesn't reach them, I don't make money on the trade. It's very simple. What's up?
You can't even see yourself.
Oh, I know. I can't see myself at all. Here. Chat, 1 second. Wifey's here. Look.
Hi, guys. It's not an update yet.
No, won't update. Okay. Wifey's here. Okay, now say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye, baby. I'm just kidding, my love. I love you. Chat, I'm trolling. I'm actually a very good human being to her. Yo, Damien, you can't say that, bro. Come on, man. Damien, you can't say, hey, beautiful. That's what I have to say to her, bro.
He didn't.
That's a great question. How long have we been married? That is a great question, bro.
Yeah, answer.
This is awkward. Everyone agrees that you look shy when you're around your girl. Yo, why? Stop calling me out. Yo, Damien. I'm gonna let that shit slide, bro. Or else I'm gonna have to find you and fuck.
Someone clip that, bro. Is blushing like crazy. Lucky girl, lucky guy.
Ugh. Alright, yo, Gold, make your mind up, bro. We have a giveaway to run. You either take us out of the trade or you just rock it to the upside. It's very simple, Gold. You expose your treasure to the trolls. It's okay. The trolls will never receive the treasure. My face turned red, buddy. Yo, am I blushing around you?
Your face is red right now.
Am I blushing?
You're blushing.
Chat, am I blushing? Yo, what the hell, chat? I didn't know I was blushing and shit. Tomato face Marco? I need one of them, man. I might go to her country.
Bro, I'm not even from my country. I'm born in Canada.
What did you read? Huh? Our wife is insane. Our wife is diabolical. That's my wife, okay? And I ain't sharing shit. Please, Marco, we need to master liquidity blocks. Chat, listen, liquidity blocks is a way of entering the market for myself. I have a video on my YouTube going into depth on this topic. So head over to the YouTube channel, watch the entry video. It'll answer a lot of those questions you guys are asking me. Yes, you are, Marco. You're calm on the charts, but you're blushing at wifey. Hey, you know what, man? I'm in permanent honeymoon phase. Permanent honeymoon phase. Why was that a tongue twister for me? Does wifey have a little sister? Vietnamese girlfriend are at the top. I have a Vietnamese girlfriend. I'm Filipino. Yo. That means you know that pho is so bomb. Your wife is also... Actually, guys, you know how you guys have always been asking me, how did you design the system? The wifey designed the system for me. The wifey designed the system for me. She is the mastermind behind all of this. Okay, what's NQ doing, chat? NQ above the highs, yo. NQ, this thing, yo. NQ sucks, bro. Okay, NQ sucks. If you guys wanted to know, no, there was no long entry on this. There was absolutely no long entry. I don't care what anybody says to me. Thank you so much, Marco, for helping me to get profitable. May Allah bless you, yo. Thank you, bro. I hope you have a great holidays. And thank you for being an awesome human being. So how long are you married already? Honeymoon taking so long? What is she doing to you? Need to know to make my husband back to honeymoon. She buys me a lot of nice gifts. She buys me a lot of nice gifts. She likes taking me to Dubai. I am the IE CEO. You are still in a dating phase? We've been in honeymoon phase since we met. And that's why things work so nicely between us. Chat, we're going to have to start running this giveaway soon because we're running out of time here, man. We're running out of time here. Chat, do we stay late on stream today? If we stay late on stream, that means we're taking away from wifey's pool time. And she's not going to be happy with us.
Breakfast, coffee.
We're taking away from... Why don't you just order yourself Dunkin' coffee?
No, we're going to be here for like a month. Oh, no, sorry, for like 2 weeks. We need to buy coffee.
Giveaway, man, giveaway. Yo, chat. Hold on, man. Like, can we not see... We're witnessing my last trade of the year where I could possibly tear up and cry once it's finished. Okay? So, let's enjoy this time together. This is an important moment together. Okay? Because, like I said, it's my last trade of the year. And it's been a great year. So let's soak it all in together. Let's get emotional together. And let's watch gold absolutely rocket to the upside. Extend the stream for a little longer. All right, yo. We'll extend it as long as we can. We'll extend it as long as we can. Chat, the real question is, where's Anth in chat? Where's the mods at? Marco, why I can't win? 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 Marco, why I can't... I'm just reading how many times you typed that out to me. I'm not sure why you can't win, bro. Oh, Anth is in chat. Okay. We had to just check on him. See if we needed a sign of life, and we got the sign of life. What was the logic behind entering this trade? Okay, the logic behind entering this trade was this, chat. So, price came down and took out these lows here. Okay. After that, I noticed that we had liquidity to the highs. And then, price built liquidity here, spiked it out, and we enter right there. Okay. So here's a buildup of liquidity on M1. And then we came down and spiked the low out. That is the entry right there. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Dude, gold, let's go, man. I need to go. Ah, man. The market doesn't care if you have to go, bro. The market doesn't care. Do you think the market cares that the sun is shining outside right now and I want to be outside instead of wearing a hoodie and staring at a screen? No, the market doesn't give a shit about us. CFD or futures. This is a futures trade, my bro. You can see my entry over here. And I'm on gold futures. You are in Miami? Actually, to your knowledge, I am not in Miami. I am in Fort Myers on the west coast. On the west coast of Florida. And I'm in a hoodie because I'm inside and the air conditioning's on, bro. I'm chilly, bro. It's fucking like cold and shit. You know what I mean? It's hard to take this trade. Why is it hard to take this trade? How much are you risking for this trade? A couple $100 per account. A couple $100. Nothing crazy. Why is your entry there? I just explained my entry. Please rewind and revisit the time where I explained the entry and study it and understand it and apply it to your charts. Thank you. For example, I believe the real liquidity block is below. Then if I don't know what to say. Yo, Jonathan, what's good, bro? Good to see you in here. Morning, Mark. I hope all is well. Everything is well except my sciatic nerve. And I'm staying on stream longer even though my sciatic nerve is broken. This trade will be taking my account from 4% drawdown to BE. Yo, don't look at it like that, bro. Don't look at it like... You're looking at it from your account balance perspective. Stop with that perspective. Stop with that perspective. Do not trade your accounts based off your account balance. Please do not trade it based off any sort of monetary outlook. It always needs to be off your plan, your system, the charts, or whatever your edge is. Maybe it's fundamentals. Do not trade your account balance in front of you. Do not determine your risk based off of your account balance or anything like that. Let's hope NQ sweeps the low before you leave. What's NQ saying? We'll take a look. NQ looks stinky, bro. NQ looks stinky. Gold is, I don't know, maybe it takes us out BE. We'll have to see, chat. We'll have to see. We'll wait and see. The thing is, I'll always BE my trades once we take out. So we see here, I entered here, right? Cool. We took out this high. It's a structural point. And then the high on the left, I'll always go risk-free here. And if it comes back and tags me out, bro, and then even flies, so be it. It's happened in the past. It's going to happen more times in the future, and that's fine. That's fine. The thing is, per my system, I understand that once this high is taken out, there's a high chance that we could continue lower. So that's why I'm risk-free at this high here. Marco, do you use correlations for SMT? I do not use SMT. Marco, what was the thing that helped you stay disciplined? I think long-term vision is very important. Focusing on progress over the longer period, not short period. You don't need to progress incredibly quick over the course of a couple days or a week's time or 2 weeks' time. No, you want to have that long-term vision in check. And yeah, that's it. Long-term vision. It'll help you stay disciplined. It'll stop making you force progress. I'm not in any other trades, chat. So someone's asking if I'm in an AU trade. I'm not in anything else. I'm just literally, this is my only trade. This is my only trade this week. Marco, can we take the same trade on CFD? It's up to you, bro. I don't know what to tell you. Guys, I'm never going to be here to tell you guys what trades you need to be taking. I just take trades in front of you guys. If you want to take the same ones, so be it. But it's completely up to you. Marco, why do you use several accounts so I can make more money? Marco, do you think you can become a billionaire by trading? Oh, bro. I don't know. I'm safe to say I'm a long way from being a billionaire. So, I have no idea. I only use Tradeovate. Yeah, guys. Chat. Only Tradeovate. So I can trade on TradingView. I used Bookmap with your strategy and the entries are deadly accurate. That's interesting. That is interesting. It's hard to take this trade because you took it on M1. I'm sorry to hear that. You can connect with TradingView for free, right? Yes, sir. You can. Show the P&L. It's just hidden because the stop loss is in front there. I'm up 40 ticks. I'm up peanuts right now, bro. What amount of money have you made this year? Yo, what the pocket watch? You want me to give you guys access to my bank account too? Why candles teleport in futures, not CFD? Yo, I don't think they teleport. Sometimes they move quicker. Teleport is crazy. Lance says, I received the account from the giveaway. Let's go, Lance. What account did you win? What account did you win from us? Good luck, though. Smash it out, man. You look like Luke Belmar? Oh, hell nah. Yo. Tell him to call your accountant. To be a billionaire, buy full margin right now. Chat. Is that good advice? Do we go full margin right now? Marco, tell us what accounts you're using. I'm using Alpha Futures accounts right now. What is the name of this app? Which app? Are you talking about TradingView, bro? Wait, you don't know about TradingView? You're behind. Marco, have you faced any issues directly trading from TradingView? I do not. Honestly, I love trading from TradingView. I look like John's. Yo, I'm not trusting anything you guys say anymore in chat. I'm not trusting anything you guys say in chat anymore. All right. Gold needs to make up its mind. You know what I mean? Because now what gold is doing to us is he's taking away time of sun from us, because I live in the snow and I travel to the sun, and now I can't even spend time in the sun because gold is stopping us from doing that. That is rude, and that's not kind from gold. Okay? So we need gold to fix up because we want to go in the sun eventually. All right, we moving. Hold the phone, chat. Last trade of the year. Tell me what we're seeing. Where are we going? Talk to us. Talk to us, gold. I hate that it says just sell stop here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put it below here because I don't want to continue to look at sell stop. All right, here we go. Look at this 5-minute candle. Talk to us nicely. You look like Justin Bieber. Yo, I'm not reading any of your comments anymore, chat.
You do look like Justin Bieber. But
here we go. Oh my. Oh my. Look at gold, chat. Oh my god, it's taking the high. If you guys got in at the low, I definitely Pay yourself something here. Pay yourself something here. I'm not gonna pay myself because I don't care to. It's only 120 ticks. I want us higher, bro. I want to go higher. I want to see gold fly, bro. And if it doesn't fly today, then I don't pay myself. I don't care. When will I have the honor of meeting you? Bro, chat, we're going to have to organize some sort of meetups in the future. You know what? I'm going to have to talk to Riz. We got to organize like a Chart Fanatics event. That'd be so fire. That would be so fire. Like, we'll host I don't know where we could do it. It's honestly, it's probably best to do it in like Miami or something, though. Good venues and stuff. I don't know. This is all pure speculation. I'm saying this like I run the friggin' show anyways. I'm literally a peasant in the pod. I hop on here and talk with you guys and hang out. But we'll see what we can do. Maybe we can run some sort of events in the future. That would be sick. That would be sick. I mean, chat, gold is looking good. Okay. Is a new hourly candle. Maybe let's see. Maybe this hourly candle just goes boom. Rocket ship. Okay? Or maybe this hourly candle flips and says, "Hey, we don't want you in the trade anymore. Goodbye stop loss." Boom, break even. You look like Travis Scott. Okay, I'm done. I'm done reading these now. I'm done. Now this is pure troll. I'll tell you why this is for obvious reasons. Why do I not look like Travis Scott? Okay, I want you guys to think about this for a minute. And it's very obvious. I'll tell you why. He has hair, I don't. See what I did there? I made you guys think about something else. What's the 4 hour looking like, chat? So we traded above a 4 hour high as well. And yeah, that's all I had to say. Let's see if we got the momentum, chat. We're up 130 ticks. It's not bad, but I ain't paying myself shit right now. I ain't paying myself shit. I took the trade with a full port. Now I want to know how much does Earth cost. Yo, you're not. That might be the comment of the day. That might be the comment of the day. Chat, who took this trade? Who's in gold longs with us? Talk to me. Who is in gold longs in profit right now? Show me in chat. Tell me. Talk to me. Who's in gold longs? Who took this? Who took it at the extreme? And who took it on the continuation? Talk to me nicely. Who's in this, chat? Wow, let's go. A couple of you guys took it. W, bro. Me from the bottom. I am me, bro. WW. Let's go. Yo, a lot of you guys got in this trade. From the bottom. Yo, you guys are savages. I'm only a hindsight trader, so I couldn't take it from the bottom, chat. So it's unfortunate, man. I never take trades live. I never take trades live. I'm a trader based off hindsight only. What else? I'm just playing. Me while playing COD. Yo! I'm jealous, bro. Chad, I used to run up COD back in the day when I was a kid. I used to put disgusting shifts into COD. 8-hour days. Boom. Sir, thank you for your strategy. No worries, man. What do we think, chat? Do we... Okay, you know what we do? Because now trades managed. We're chilling. We're chilling. Because what we'll do also is we'll... You know what's awesome about understanding how to manage positions. Listen to this. Worst case scenario right now. Worst case, if shit hits the fan, okay, and the world blows up. Worst case scenario, I lose $0 from this trade. $0. Isn't that crazy? And if it goes the other way, we make money. So it's a win-win. It's a win-win. I'm closing at 197 ticks, man. I'm done. Fuck yeah, let's go, bro. Hell yeah. I mean, yeah, the market could give reactions here. And I don't give a shite, to be honest with you. There's a chance we get reactions in this area, for sure. There's a chance price action gives us reactions in here, so. If it goes bearish quick out of here, it's probably going to come and BE me, or I'll just manually close it out. So, but I don't care, to be honest with you. I had targets. If it doesn't reach my targets, bro, so be it. That's it. I'm not in the trade. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, what we need to do, though, is chat. I'm going to remove some of these lines so we can clear it up. Okay, we're going to organize the giveaway. We're going to organize the giveaway. Let me talk with Anth. We'll continue to monitor the trade on the side. Okay, everybody hold the phone. We're going to continue to monitor the trade on the side, so don't worry. Nobody yell at me. Okay, we'll monitor the trade on the side. Let me just organize this with... yeah. Okay, we're going to organize this giveaway. Okay. The word for today's giveaway. I'm waiting on Anthony to tell me we're all good to go, and I'm going to tell you guys how to enter. Boom. Exclamation mark Florida in chat, and you guys will enter in today's giveaway. You know what we'll do? We'll move this over here. Boom. Here, you know what we can do for you guys too, because I know you guys probably want to see money. There it is. We're up money right now. Real money. Oh my god. Exclamation mark Florida in chat. Let's go. And gold is flying. Gold is flying, chat. Here we go. Boom. Smashed. I'm closing some partials here. Thank you very much. And would you look at that, chat? We made money on our last trade of the year. We made money on our last trade of the year. Everybody give yourself a pat on the back. Someone said they're up 404 ticks. Savagery. Absolute savagery. And are we gonna run for full target? Maybe we do. Give me 4387.5. Give me 4387.5, chat. We can close. Should we just close full and just run this giveaway with you guys? We're basically there, bro. We're basically there. We're like 20-ish ticks away. All right, bro. Here we go. Full target smash. Last trade of the year. We did it. We did it, chat. Last trade of the year is a W. I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of you guys. We persevered. We pushed limits. And we saved the world together. Sorry, I don't know what the fuck. My bad. I don't know. I felt like I was in a movie there for a second. Sorry, chat. Alright. Alright. Yo. Solid trade though, chat. Solid trade. Let's go. That's some good stuff. We love to see it. We love to see it. All right, we're gonna run this. We're gonna run this giveaway. Let me get it all ready though. So I'm gonna switch my screen over. Bear with me because I'm doing this all on one monitor. Remember. Okay. Guys, entries are closed, by the way. I should have said that already, but entries are closed. Entries are closed, chat. 1 second. I'm just getting ready to run this giveaway for you guys because trade's done. We stayed longer on stream today. Look, it's 11:15. My sciatic nerve is blowing my back out. Pause.
Wifey's hungry and
Wifey's hungry. She's hangry.
wants coffee.
She wants coffee. Like, yo. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get this giveaway done for you guys. Lock in, everybody. Here we go. Boom, boom. Paste. There we go. Love to see it. Yo, chat. Look. We asked for a rocket ship, and Gold gave us a rocket ship. Boom. Okay. Awesome. Cool. Listen. In my live daily, no, I'm live on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But yeah, awesome trade today. I love you guys. We're gonna run into the giveaways. Good luck to everybody. Listen, lock in. First giveaway is gonna be. 1 second.
What?
Apex. First